Oh, there we go.
Okay, everyone. Again, we'll try this again. This is Dan with E-Bike Nation. Here's Caleb.
What's up?
We're talking about his 1,000-watt motor, 1,500 watt.
Yeah.
That'll put out 3,000 watt, and it's a great little bike. This is a mod bike for him. As you can see, this is an old Swin frame that he modified it, where you can see he put the battery down in here, which was really cool, and the controller is actually in this bag. And he's got DY Island hydraulic brakes on this, which stops him really well. And as you can see on this motor, he put these little fins around this. That's to keep that cooler. And what do they call that, Caleb, to do that?
Heat sinks. Yeah.
Heat sinks. He found that online, and he said it keeps that motor a lot cooler. Because it was getting really hot on him as he was riding.
Yeah, it'd overheat within about 1-2 miles.
Did it automatically shut down when it overheated?
So what happens with the motors is it limits power a lot.
Oh,
So
it's trying to cool itself down.
If you ever notice you are riding one of these and you're going up a steep hill or something, and it's like a lot harder to pedal for some reason, it's because it's pulling power from the motor to cool down the motor.
But you climbed up the hill. We come out of the Platte, and you just cruise right up that hill. Battery degradation, do you get a lot of that with it?
No, not really.
Not bad? Because that's a powerful motor for a bike. He can do 45 mile an hour, and I'm not surprised he hasn't done 50 on this bike already. But it's fast, there is no doubt about it. It's much faster than the Cyrusher Ranger you're looking at. But this is a great bike too. This is a 26 by 4 inch fat tire bike, 750 watt rear hub motor on it, DY Island. Nope, this one has Logan hydraulic brakes. We're just as good. I put an aftermarket seat on here. I think they're more comfortable. It's got gray Kenda Crusade tires. It is a torque sensor, which I love torque sensors now, Caleb. I wish they didn't make Cadence anymore. I love torque sensor bikes. And yeah, look at these fat tires. They're just really cool looking. Look, you can buy fenders for it, but I'm not going to buy fenders for it. I kind of like it the way it is. And it's also got dual suspension front and back, as you can see down here. Does have a little bit of a flap here to keep the mud off you on that back tire, I guess. But yeah, it's a really cool bike. I'll put it down in the description. This bike runs about $27.99 right now, plus tax. But as you can ask Caleb, he does a lot of mods on bikes, and he knows what the quality of bike is. So do you think this Ranger is definitely worth the money?
I think so, yeah.
Price point seems to be good.
If you're looking for something that, like, I ride mine to work, if you can't build one like me, and you just want one straight out the gate, it'll be good, couple years, no problem. I'd go for it.
Kind of like the Walkie. I mean, the Walkie's built too. These, I mean, you're going to get what you pay for. Caleb and I know enough now. We've ridden enough e-bikes. We know what quality is. And if you want a quality built bike, this is what you're going to pay for them. So anyway, we're going to continue our ride here, and just wanted to get off and talk about the bikes a little bit. But I tell you, I love that little bike of his. Now, I would not ride it. It's just too low to the ground to me. I'm 72 years old. He's 18. So, but yeah, he's still got a little work to do on it, I think. But yeah, it's a great looking mod bike. Got good old motorcycle kickstand on it. So, get my bike turned back on here. You already do lunch, or are we going to stop and do anything today?
I didn't eat anything, but we don't have to.
It's up to you. Okay, bike, why will you not turn back on? Yeah, about time. We need to do a drone footage somewhere of the bikes. Do a orbital and 50 feet up, and
You remember the Rumpke place? We could go down there.
that would be a good place for the drone, but they're working today. But
I mean, I don't think there'd be a lot of traffic through there, or at least that road.
that would be a good area. Maybe we ought to head down there to get some drone footage.
Because that road doesn't have a lot of traffic.
I think that'd be perfect. Remember, so we have to get back down to, try and remember where that is now.
That's over
Yeah, it is. You're right. It's down here. We'll do a little city riding and maybe head down there.
Yeah.
Do some drone footage. All right.
Back here on the sidewalk, and then we can hop on that bike lane.
Wherever you want to go. I'm following you. We're going to get back on the road up here. Or shall I say the sidewalk, so we can get over to... He wants to maybe get up on the bikeway up here. I'm not positive, but I think he is. Again, we're out doing some city riding today. Been waiting on us, I guess, huh? Okay, back on the bike lane here.
The nice thing is it's pretty dry out here.
Yeah, at least we're not getting soaked.
I'm like, we could just cut in over there, hop on the bike.
Probably the best way to do it, actually.
And just go straight down there.
Yeah, we'll be on the bike lane pretty much all the way. Again, we're doing some city riding here. We're almost to downtown, and we're going to stay in the bike lane, and we're going to get some drone footage here in a little while. Again, downtown is where we're at right now. Got a guy I think going to get up on the bike lane. We're not sure here. He's on a bicycle on the side here. Maybe not. Kind of got the bike lane covered, don't they? Weaving in and out of this traffic. That guy's parked in the bike lane, which he should not be. But yeah, Caleb and I really like to get out and do some downtown riding like this. Neighborhood riding, street riding. It's kind of all this put together, and really get some really cool footage. Yeah, that's not a one-way till we get to the following one. Yeah, we should be able to go right up there, I think.
No, it's like they have the bike infrastructure, but then that happens.
There was a guy actually parked in the bike lane back there.
There's a couple, actually.
And I'm thinking, you know what?
People complain about us being on the road, and
Yeah.
we can't be in the bike lane.
Yeah, they're parked right in it. Yeah, we've got a pretty good network of bike lanes down here for a small downtown, and you got bike lanes there, and
if you're going back and forth this way, it's pretty easy.
yeah.
There's not a whole bunch going back and forth this way, but
No, you don't have as much traffic right through here, and this is even a work day, so I'm only down to 91%.
I still showed 5 bars. I'd have to check the voltage.
Yeah. Going by Cincinnati Reds, Class A stadium here. Single A, shall I say. Getting ready to do the whole field over. New infield and new outfield, looks like. They only got a couple months. Baseball will be starting back up here, so. We turning there? Oh, I thought you was turning. Oh, I forgot. It's this next road over. I forgot it's down where 2nd Street Market is here, isn't it?
I forgot the signal, that's why.
Turning left here? Or on up? No, probably on up, I'm thinking. I don't have my turn signals on this bike, so that's why you're not seeing the me putting the signals on. I got using hand signals. Probably be turning right up here to get up to our destination to get some drone footage today. I think we went too far. I mean, we didn't. It's down that way. It's pretty close to the bike trail, yes. Yeah. I was thinking Rumpke was on Springfield Street. Maybe not.
I think we follow where he's going right now.
Yeah, I'll follow the other side of that building.
You can see the Rumpke truck about to turn in that second.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's where we go there. We just went the wrong way. But that's all right. We'll make it. That'd be a great place to get some drone footage.
Oh yeah, we got the big
Let this guy turn. Be turning up here again to get over to where we want to go. Get by all these telephone poles, don't want to hit them. That'd be for a bad day. I believe it's right here, isn't it? Yeah, it's right here. This is where we go. Got a little bit of traffic out here, but not too terrible. That rattling you're hearing is my coffee mug. It's metal hitting against the frame. So no, that's nothing loose on the bike. I just need to put a cushion between that and the cup. And the cup holders, we don't have all that noise. Yeah, we're coming up on an area where we were looking for. Of course, Caleb throttles everywhere because he don't have a derailleur set up on that bike. So he's in throttle mode only everywhere he goes. So how much exercise he's getting, I don't know. He's getting some, but not like you be pedaling with either a cadence bike or a torque sensor bike. Think they're gonna let us back over there or not? Huh?
I don't know why not.
What if they'd let us in that yard over there?
That'd be really cool.
Huh? If the gate's open, we can try it. Unless it's got private property, then we'll probably have to get off.
Yeah.
You want to try it? Or do you want to go to the other one?
Am I filming?
Yeah, you're still going.
Alright, well let's do it.
We'll try it, huh? There you go. Ain't getting in anyway. Well, we ain't getting in there. Shall we try the other one? That's got an automatic opener on it. Yeah, I see it. Try to get in the gate we always go in. It's not this one, is it? It's on up, ain't it? I don't think this is it either, is it? We'll probably wind up getting kicked out of there, but oh well. Yeah, this is all their fueling station here.
Yeah, it's down there. You can see the building.
Yeah, that's where we'll go. I always stop. I never take a chance.
I wonder if they let us go in there, 'cause it says it has a visitor.
You want to try it? All we can do is ask them.
Worst they could say is no.
Tell them we'll do some drone footage.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say anything else except drone footage. Let's go try. We're loud. Hey, do you guys allow anybody in here just like do drone footage or something like that?
You have to get permission from my boss on that.
Oh.
Otherwise, you know, if he said yeah.
I mean, I know it's private property and all that.
Yeah.
But
you're welcome to talk to him on the phone, but
yeah, I mean, can we?
yeah, I'll just put your bikes up here.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Because I don't know. I don't think they'll do it, but yeah, right. I mean, well, I think it's privacy stuff.
Yes.
That they won't let you, but I mean, you have to ask him. You know.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let me get this bike up there.
Yeah.
Put it over here out of the way is what I'll do. You want to move up? About like that? Go closer. Let's see what mode we got here.
Follow.
Let's follow.
Orbit.
Orbit. Let's do the orbit right here. It'll go 20, 25 feet out and do a complete circle.
20 feet. Orbit.
That guy gonna make us move. Okay. They got a sign on out there. I bet it's going to hit. I don't think it'll hit his truck. Probably go over it. It did. You're good. I appreciate it. Thank you. Was that a no?
Yeah, he's like, sorry, you guys can't be in the parking lot. I'm like, I understand, you know.
They sure don't open those things in the, they sure don't close them in the weekend. We come in here on a weekend.
Yeah. Well, then again, there's no one working or anything.
Does he say there's signs that says we can't be in here?
He just said you can't be in here in the parking lot right now. I'm like, I understand.
Safety. Well, I guess we'll have to try somewhere else.
Well,
They-
he said, so, you know, like where the train tracks are down over there.
Yeah.
He's like, you can try over there and that, like, big field next to it.
We've also got that area down there that we go it's got the railroad tracks and those old buildings. We can do that too. Let's just go find a place. Well, we've got shot down twice today.
It doesn't really matter to me.
We're getting footage. We got some footage there. A little bit. We'll just go ahead and get off their parking lot, I guess. They probably do have some signs say you can't do it. I don't see any. Yeah, I think once we go across the street here, that's where we wanted to go anyway. That'd be a good area. We know what's over there. Remember that a 2500 Silverado truck was crushed? Man, that thing was a mess. We're going to try to get some more footage of with the drone here. Caleb, where you just got to tell me where you think you want to go. Maybe in that parking lot right here? That'd be a good one, wouldn't it? Figure right in here somewhere? Or do you want to go by that truck?
You know, we could just be sitting on our bikes right here, getting orbital shots.
Can do that.
The building in the background.
Yep,
And everything.
we can do that.
Try not to go up. 'Cause,
No, it won't. It'll only go so high, and that's it. We do not want to do the.
we can go over to where the little asphalt part is.
This would be good. We're not going to hit nothing here. We're not going to do any bird's eye. Turn the drone back on. We'll just do the zoom around. This thing that takes great footage too. Is the orbit? It'll do right here without a problem. We'll just stay on the bikes. It always takes a minute till it figures out what it wants to do, then it'll start taping. Still not taping.
Oh, it's probably going to get out there.
There we go, now it's taping.
It's pretty cool.
It does good footage. I mean, the little camera on that little, on that thing does a phenomenal job, I think. It doesn't have audio, but it gets audio from your phone.
What would be really cool is if it did that and then started following you.
It does, yeah, it don't do that though. You'll have to put it in follow mode. We can ride up there with it following us.
Yeah.
Now it's done. It's done quit filming, as you can see.
Well, do you want it to follow you and then I'll stay behind just in case?
It don't matter, it'll follow both of us. Once I set it right here, it'll start following.
Well, you want to get out onto the road there first?
Think we should?
And then we can go down to the little asphalt spot.
We can do that too. Yeah, I'll get it back on the road. Yeah, it'll follow us all the way down there. Yeah, I see that. I've seen him before.
It'd be really cool if we were going across up here. They have all the concrete blocks.
Let's make sure I'm in the right mode here.
It's a little flaggy out.
See that?
That's what I need for this.
20 feet. Orbit.
This is orbit again. Don't want that. I just stopped it.
Bird eye. Bird eye. 50 feet. Bird eye. Custom. Hover. Zoom out. Zoom. Follow.
There we go. Ready? Okay, everyone, we're going to get some interesting drone footage when we get up here. Get around all these potholes. Yeah, we're trying to incorporate some drone footage and riding videos, and so I'll be cutting a lot of this out and piecing all these together. Yeah, it was up here close, I know. kind of going back to where we just came from. Since we got thrown out of the Rumpke truck center, they wouldn't let us go stay in there anymore. City of Dayton would not allow us to go into one of their facilities. They didn't want us to do any drone footage for sure. And I get that. So we're going to go move up to another place that's fairly interesting that we know. So this would be an adventure today for sure. I got to be done at least by 3:30 or 4. Got a function on church on Wednesday night. We feed a bunch of kids from the elementary school that's local that we sponsor and give them groceries to go home at my church. We call the KIND program. So I've got that to do tonight. But Caleb was off work today, so we decided to get out and do some riding. That's awful loud, whatever that was over at Rumpke. Cruising along about 18 mile an hour here. Pedal assist 5. I've come about 10 miles and still have 79% of my battery. That's pretty good. A lot of this stopping and going riding we've been doing. So it's not like it's been a bunch of consistent trail riding, because it has not been. Got plenty of potholes we're dealing with, that's for sure. But the bike seems to be handling this rough road really well. I think it's up here on the right, isn't it? Yeah, I see it. Cut over here into this parking lot so I can get back over where Caleb is. I missed the turn back there. I'll be turning up through this parking lot. Get back where he's at. This is an adventure ride we're doing today. A lot of different things down through here. Overpasses for railroads, and I know he's back over in here somewhere. They took our shopping carts.
Looks like there's someone camping under there. That's probably their car.
That's a broken tire. It's a broken wheel on that one, looks like.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's an encampment right there. That's a homeless encampment. As you guys can see it over there. That is what that is over there. Somebody's got a fence and they cut through it and made a little encampment over there. Dug right into the ground or the sand there, didn't you?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do from here?
Good question.
Huh?
It's a good question.
They already ruined our little, that's their shopping cart for sure. I don't need to tick anybody off. Could do a little drone coverage there. Ain't nobody gonna say anything to us back here. What do you think? We point them together like over there? I ain't gonna try to put it up on them things, I can tell you that. I know what you had in mind. I know you, Caleb. You wanted to put your bikes up there, didn't you?
I mean,
If you want to, get them both up there, because I can't get mine up there. Caleb's gonna do something very different here. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to. He's determined to get his bike up there. Or not. Caleb determined to get his bike up there, and he did. I say, did you go put the kickstand down? Yeah, you might want to turn the motor off. Or lose your bike, one of the two. There you go. That'd be some good drone footage. I don't think you better try to get the Ranger up there. I don't think it'll go up there.
I think it's lighter than this one.
Well, if you can get it up there, go and put it up there. We'll get the drone footage of it. That'd be an interesting drone there now.
This one's lighter, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely only about 60 or 70 pounds.
Should be a lot lighter than that.
With that big hub motor, I'd think so. Here we go. There you go, right on the kickstand. Good. That's good. Is that good drone footage?
Yep, you want to get up there and stand in the middle of them?
You want me to?
Hey.
I will. That's one way to do it. That's one way to get some drone footage. Okay, folks, I'm getting too old to do this. I told Caleb about it a couple times.
You turn on your alarm.
I did. I hear it. I hit it. I got to do it with this one, I think. And I got to find it now. I know I got my... Here it is, I got it. That better? All right. Okay, folks, we're going to do some drone footage here. Caleb's getting the bike situated. And I'll turn the drone back on and let's see what we can do here.
Stand right in the middle of both of these?
Yep. What do you want to do, in orbit first?
Yeah.
Current mode. Follow. Orbit. 20 feet. Orbit.
Then we can do a zoom out.
A zoom out?
Yeah. says 10.6 miles on that.
That's about right. It's about what mine says too. There she goes around us. It's a pretty good little view though, isn't it? Right there. It's making its rounds to come back and land in my hand. That's pretty cool. This will be good footage for us right here. Okay, baby, come back and land now. I can even set the phone up where I can take selfies out there. What are we gonna do next? Zoom out?
Yeah. Like straight back that way towards all the cars.
Custom.
Which way?
Like straight back this way towards all the cars and you got everything.
Okay.
Hover.
Well, that'll be that. If hovered, it'll go out that way about 15 feet and come back.
Zoom out.
Yeah, this is the zoom out mode. If we do it from here now, it'll see those trucks.
Well, I was gonna say with all this in the background, then you don't have a bunch of cars.
Okay.
20 feet. Zoom out.
There she goes. That's pretty good zoom out. It don't even go farther if I wanted it to go farther. Shall we do a bird's eye?
Yeah.
Straight up?
Orbit.
That's orbit. We already did that.
Bird eye.
Bird eye, here we go.
50 feet. Bird eye.
Yeah. 50 feet straight up. Yeah, we could do a patty cake. Of course, it'd be so high it won't see us. Or we could go like that. Yeah, it ain't done climbing yet.
Rock, paper, scissors?
Here we go.
Alright, yeah. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, you won that
Let's
one.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot.
alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You won that one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You won that one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You lost that one. Oh, you don't want to come down now? Come on. That's pretty good footage, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll do the hover mode to go out about 15 feet. I guess we want those rocks to be seen, don't we? Let's get the graffiti walls to be
That's what I
shown.
was saying. I'm like, we can get all the like stuff in the background
Yeah.
here.
Whoops. I probably should have got up on the bike. Look at all them nails and stuff. Wow. You want to do it from here?
Yeah.
Here we go. Zoom out. Of course, if we zoom out, we're going to have to get on that side.
Well, you can stand back there behind the bike, can't you?
Yeah, I'll have to go behind it. It's about the only way it'll do it. There we go. Now we'll do a, see which way do I want the camera to go.
So you could zoom it out that way.
Yeah, there we go.